Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can change filament or color of all pieces in Bambu Studio. So in my case, I'm going to put these two pieces on my board, and to change the filament color or the color of all the pieces, you want to head over to the project's filament. Inside this page, you then have your filament preset. In my case, it's the PLA basic. And to change the color, you then want to click on the color box right here, which is going to be number 1. Once inside this page, you then want to select the color that you prefer to apply in all of your pieces. So let's say that we want to apply color red onto all of our pieces, and basically you will be able to see that appear right here. And so let's try another one, which is going to be this gradient color, or maybe this bluish color. And then if we click on the preview button, it will then appear as that specific color for all of our pieces in Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.